In this video, I'm going to show you how to retain the original colored materials on your input while enhancing the quality and realism when rendering with SketchPro. First, you're going to head over to Render as usual, heading over to the Render tab and rendering the entire image. And just like any other input, you will type in the description of your image. Then you're going to head down to the creativity bar, and since we already have all our materials and colors in here, I'm going to keep a relatively low creativity. Finally, the most important part in doing this is keeping the original colors. You have to make sure you switch that tab over to Yes, and then click Generate. After receiving your outputs, you can see how close it is to our original input. It added depth, shadowing, and material refinement while staying true to the original design choices. You can head over to the comparison tool to see the side-by-side comparison of that. Now I'm going to show you what would happen if you didn't select Keep Color. So we can select Regenerate at the bottom of the screen to take us back to our original input and instructions. We can keep everything the same, however in this case, we're going to switch off the Keep Original Color and then select Generate. With this, you're going to see that SketchPro respects the outlines and objects that are within the space, however it's not staying true to the original application of color and materials as your starting image shows. Here you can see a side-by-side view of the original input and our two outputs with and without retaining the original color. You can see how SketchPro clearly applied the wood cabinetry and countertops and how closely it matched the plywood in the middle render. If you look at the right render, you can immediately tell that the colors are off. The render is a warmer tone as a whole, and the counter and wall are not the same materials as the original, though it retained the integrity of the design.